Good morning, Magnolia Mustangs. Today is Wednesday. I am Mrs. Whitaker, and these are your daily announcements. Today's national holiday is National Laundry Day. The word laundry comes from the two Welsh words loon, or crazy, and dirt, or dirty. Better make sure all of your crazy, dirty clothes get washed so you smell nice and clean. The fun fact of the day is the little plastic tip at the edge of your shoelace is called an aglet. If the aglets wear off, it can be hard to lace up your running sneakers. Make sure you're tying those shoes. Our word of the day is serene. It is an adjective that means peaceful or calm. Some synonyms include peaceful, tranquil, and calm. Being at the beach during sunset creates a serene setting. All right, boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed your daily announcements and word of the day, and have a happy Wednesday.